Hi everyone, I'm Donna from the Land Rover Guidebook channel. Today, we will look at speed limiters and adaptive speed limiters along with Land Rover's traffic sign recognition system. The speed limiter function is put on standby by pressing the lim button on the right side of the steering wheel with a gray warning light on the instrument panel. At this time, press and hold the cancel button to switch the speed limiter function to the adaptive speed limiter function. Press and hold the cancel button again to switch back to the speed limiter function. You can switch between them by pressing and holding the cancel button. Pressing the set plus button while the speed limiter is in standby will activate orange and display the set speed below. Each time you press the plus and minus buttons, you can increase or decrease the setting speed by 2 kilometers. Press and hold to increase or decrease 10 kilometers continuously. You can increase the set speed up to the maximum safe speed set for each model. For Range Rover Evoque, you can increase the speed to 232 kilometers. You can check the maximum safe speed of your vehicle in this way. If the speed limiter is started while the vehicle is stopped, the set speed starts at 30 kilometers. Let's activate it on the adaptive speed limiter. I first switch to the adaptive speed limiter by pressing and holding the cancel button. If you press the set plus button, it is activated in orange and the setting speed is displayed below. The adaptive speed limiter is activated at the same speed as the traffic sign speed on the instrument panel and can only be set up to 10 kilometers above and below the traffic sign speed. The current traffic sign shown on the instrument panel is automatically recognized by the vehicle's sensor. There is a setting in the speed limit function in the driver assistance system in the instrument panel menu. If you disable the traffic sign recognition system, the traffic sign shown on the instrument panel disappears. Also, the adaptive speed limiter cannot be used together, so it automatically switches to the speed limiter. When you activate the traffic sign recognition system again, the traffic sign appears again in the instrument panel, and the adaptive speed limiter can be activated just like the speed of the traffic sign. The Tsr Speed Warning can be disabled or set up to 20 kilometers from the speed limit. If you drive faster than the set speed, you will hear a warning sound and a message will appear on the instrument panel. Land Rover has several driving programs. Speed limiters and adaptive speed limiters are not available in all of these different driving programs. It can be used in Comfort Program, Eco Program, Dynamic Program, and Grass, Gravel, Snow Program. However, the speed limiter and adaptive speed limiter are automatically disabled in the Mud Ruts program. In addition, it can be used in Sand Program and Rock Crawl Program, but it cannot be used when the low range function is activated. Then, while driving, I will use the speed limiter and adaptive speed limiter. All controls are on the right side of the steering wheel. First, press the lim button to create a standby state with a gray warning light on the instrument panel. Now press the set plus button. It will be activated in orange and the setting speed will be displayed below. To deactivate the speed limiter, just press the cancel button once. The orange warning light on the instrument panel turns gray again and becomes standby. To reactivate it, press the set plus button and the speed is set according to the current driving speed. If you want to activate at the previous speed regardless of the current speed, press the resume button. As such, pressing the set plus button while driving is set to the current driving speed, deactivated with the cancel button, and reactivated with the resume button at the previous speed. This time, I'll lower the speed limiter's speed setting a lot while driving. As you can see on the screen, the warning sound will continue to sound with the guidance of the instrument panel. This speed warning can be disabled or set in the Tsr Speed Warning in the instrument panel menu you saw earlier. If Tsr Speed Warning is enabled, it warns when driving more than 4 seconds and 7 kilometers faster than the set speed limit. At this time, if you decrease the speed or increase the speed limiter setting speed, the warning and warning sound on the instrument panel disappear. If you drive faster than the traffic sign speed shown on the instrument panel, regardless of the speed limiter, the red sign around the traffic sign will flash. If you activate the speed limiter and reach the set maximum speed, stepping on the accel pedal no longer speeds it up. However, you may need to momentarily increase the speed above the maximum speed even though you have reached the maximum speed while using the speed limiter. In this moment, you can step on the accel pedal deeply to the end. As you have just seen, as you climb a lot to the RPM, the speed of the vehicle increases faster than the maximum set speed. This action is called kickdown. If you step on the accel pedal to the end, there's a part that gets stuck at the end. Once you step further, you can step on the accel pedal a little deeper beyond the jammed area. If you started to drive faster than the speed limiter set, you can continue to override it. When the speed decreases below the set speed again, the speed limiter function is normally activated again. Let's take a look at the adaptive speed limiter. When a vehicle enters another road with a traffic sign while driving, the vehicle's sensor is automatically recognized, and the adaptive speed limiter is interlocked with the speed setting. Since the vehicle is driving faster than the new traffic sign, the instrument panel guide and warning sound will sound according to the Tsr speed setting in the instrument panel menu. The adaptive speed limiter also allows the vehicle's sensors to recognize traffic signs on the road and work together with navigation. You can override it with a kickdown while using the adaptive speed limiter. In this way, if you override the speed faster than the automatically set speed in the adaptive speed limiter, you can freely speed up as if you are not using the adaptive speed limiter. So far, we've learned more about speed limiters and adaptive speed limiters along with traffic sign recognition systems. The speed limiter and adaptive speed limiter functions are used as controls on the right side of the steering wheel, along with cruise control and adaptive cruise control. In the next video, we will learn more about cruise control and adaptive cruise control. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.